Hi everyone, it's Ed from Gamespace here, and the reason I'm down on the floor is because these two packages house the pinnacle of Flexispot's design, and we're going to try and build it today. These two bits are going to piece together to make the Flexispot EQ7 standing desk, coming in with some seriously sturdy industrial design, 4 independent linear drive motors, up to 200 kilos of load-bearing weight, as well as an adjustable size range. This certainly seems to be everything you'd want for the £900 UK or local equivalent that you pay for that, RRP of course. But whether it is, we'll have to see when we put it together. Take a look at the full review for the Flexispot EQ7 over on the Gamespace website, and hopefully this build video will give you an idea of how bad I actually am with a screwdriver and pair of scissors. So, after all that work and minus one tabletop, we have the desk set up. And whilst this may be down at my feet, hopefully you can see it raise. Pretty damn high. Just over 126 centimeters. So certainly it's not small. And for the amount of money you're paying, you would expect it to come all the way up. The noise level for it is pretty reasonable. And the movement is very consistent as well. So all in all, everything that you'd expect from a standing desk. Hopefully we can get a tabletop for this so that we can fully experience it. But as a standing desk on its own right now, generally, well, have to wait for the full review for my opinion. Probably going to be pretty positive though. Anyway, thanks for your time today. Thanks for watching us put together the Flexispot EQ7. You can find out more about the EQ7 in our full review. Well, I go and find out what the cats have knocked over here at Gamespace.com. So, a slight addition to the video. It turns out 2 days after we built the EQ7 that Flexispot did send us a couple of different desktops, including this absolutely massive desktop, coming in black as well as a number of other different colours. This particular formation is 1.8 meters wide. There is not enough gaming that I can get on this thing, and just to show that the EQ7 does have some real shifting power, I'll sign off this video from up here. For the full review of the Flexispot EQ7, check out Gamespace.com, and I'm going to work out how I'm going to get down.